Hey everybody, welcome to Boulder Station Hotel, Casino, and Poker Room here in Boulder City, Las Vegas, Nevada. Great looking location, great looking casino. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna play a little poker here. So far we're having a great day, just left the WSOP. We're on a good run, so let's take a walk and try to give you a little different perspective here at Boulder Station. Really cool looking place. Very hot today, only 109. Only. No wind and dry. So follow us, let's check out this casino. So again everybody, welcome to Boulder Station. Let's check this out everyone. And a nice overview of Boulder Station Hotel and Casino. They even got bingo here everyone. Quick little walk through the slots. Very cool looking place. But we are looking for the poker room, and I know there's one in here somewhere. Let's see if we can find one. And we found the poker room here at Boulder. Stuck in here among all the slots. So let's go play a little poker and see how it goes everyone. And a cool looking tabletops here at Boulder Station. And we found a little food court here. Sandwich shops, wing stop, tacos, teriyaki madness. A little bit of everything. Of course right next to the slot machines. So come check out the food court here at Boulder Station. And of course the ice cream counter. Gotta check out the ice cream counter. So come join us at Boulder Station. And they have a great little sports bar betting section here with STN Sports. Check it out everybody. Great bar. Come join us. Follow us at Boulder Station in Las Vegas. And we had a very good run here at the poker room, so that was a nice time. So follow us on motorcycles and poker adventures at Boulder Station. Come join us everyone, follow motorcycles and poker adventures. Till tomorrow at the WSOP 2025. Forget your late night game on dining at Boulder Station Hotel and Casino. Follow us everybody, motorcycles and poker. Subscribe and hit like. More to come from Las Vegas at Boulder Casino.